Well, good morning everyone, my name is Matt and I'm happy to take you for a ride at the lake of the Mercedes-Benz Driving Events here in Sorsele in Sweden. So we're right here for the last day of a perfection training with individual coaching, and the participants are just having fun with the coupes. So we're gonna have the C300 Coupes to use with a rear wheel drive on these beautiful tracks, and that makes drifting a lot of fun. So conditions are perfect, as you can see. We've got the sun in our back. We're here on track number 3, as you can see, and we're taking out the nice coupes. What we will find ourselves in is a C300 Coupe, rear wheel driven car, 258 horsepower at the rear axle, and we're driving with these things with studded tires. As you can see right here, we do have lots of studs in the tires, so this is how it grips. It's a nice winter tire. We do have underbody protection if somebody slides off, so everything is prepared for having some nice fun. Car is set up so there's no ESP, no ASR. You can see how much throttle position I will be using, and first car is getting stuck right there, so the G-Wagon will disappear and pull it out. This one's got all-wheel drive, of course, so it's gonna be much faster, getting much more traction than we have in the rear-wheel driven cars. But it doesn't matter, we're gonna have the fun with big drifting angles like we're doing just now, the fast so-called drift corner. You see, if you're doing this properly right, you have 100 kilometers per hour on the speedometer while you're doing it sideways.